Too late to buy Bitcoin? Think again. In this video I will break down why that fear is not just misleading, it could cost you your financial future. And stick around because the last point I'll share might completely shift how you see Bitcoin moving forward. Let's start with what really is happening. Bitcoin's already over $100,000 and that scares a lot of people. They feel they've missed the boat, that they say, well, I should have bought at $1,000 or at $10,000 and now it's too expensive. But here's the truth, price is not the real story, value is. See, most people confuse price with opportunity. Just because Bitcoin was once cheaper doesn't mean it's expensive now. If something has still 10x or 100x potential, does it matter where it started? Would you rather have bought Amazon at $3 or $1,000 and still see it go $3,000? The second reason is people hesitate when there is fear. The media says Bitcoin is volatile, that it could go crash. The governments might ban it. But here's what they're not telling you. Every asset that changes the game goes through volatility. Early internet stocks, mobile tech and even gold. Bitcoin's volatility isn't a bug, it's a signal. It means it's still early. It means price discovery is still happening and volatility is the cost of life-changing upside. Now, let's talk about adoption. Bitcoin isn't a fringe experiment anymore. It's held by institutions, traded on Wall Street and added into retirement accounts. It's regulated in multiple countries and infrastructure is growing daily, from Lightning to ETFs. We're no longer in the Wild West. We are watching the rails of a new financial system being built in real time. But here is what you came for. Price. Where could Bitcoin go from here? Based on Michael Saylor's 29% annual growth prediction and looking at the global asset classes like gold, real estate and bonds, a case can be made that Bitcoin hitting 500k or even $1 million is possible within the next 5 to 10 years. And here's why. Because the total addressable market is massive. Gold alone is 22 trillion, bonds over 300 trillion, and if Bitcoin absorbs just a small slice of that, the upside is staggering. And now let's get to the real reason it might not be too late. The time horizon. Most people think in weeks or months, but Bitcoin operates in cycles, often 4+ years. So if you're looking to retire, protect your wealth, or build something long term, you are not too late, unless you're thinking short term. There are always pullbacks, but zoom out and you'll see Bitcoin has been the best performing asset of the last decade. That didn't happen by accident. So what do I personally do? I don't try to time the dips. I don't panic sell. I focus on stacking consistently with what I can afford to lose. I study, I zoom out, I treat Bitcoin as a savings technology and not as a get-rich-quick scheme. And no, this isn't financial advice, it's just my personal perspective. So to wrap this up, here is the point. It's not about being early anymore. It's about not being late. Because once adoption reaches the final stages and the majority finally wakes up, the biggest moves might already be behind us. The goal isn't to time it perfectly, it's not to be left behind. So if you ask me, is it too late to buy Bitcoin? I don't think so. But the answer depends on how long you are willing to wait, how deeply you understand the technology, and how much you believe in a world where individuals hold power and not central banks.